Sammy.
You see all this Jeep out here, bro?
What we doing, bro?
Today,
Yes.
we on another adventure.
Oh, shit.
Something slight.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly
What kind of adventure?
We're jumping up in cliff and shit, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
We're doing waterfall hunting.
Of course.
And he's about to jump over a baby cliff, man.
Baby cliff.
He's excited for that. Little cliff, bro. But I've jumped over a 60 feet cliff before, man. You want to jump over like not even 2 feet, bro.
He can't swim,
Bro,
man.
I don't need to know to swim, bro. All I need is my vest. That's it, bro. Don't stress yourself. Don't kill yourself, bro. Keep it simple. Yes.
This is the parking lot. It's right now full, but you can be the fifth car in my wait line if you want to wait.
All right, cool. Thank you, boss.
I got pulled behind the last car in that line.
All right, thank you. You ready, bro? Sammy, you ready?
Close, bro.
You about to backflip into that waterfall?
Oh, yeah.
I bet.
I'm a triple flip, bro.
We gotta do it, bro. Yeah, man. We need that. Came from too far.
Where do you guys come from?
All the way in PG County.
PG County.
Yeah. Is it usually like this down here?
This is the best I've seen it all summer. Normally
For
the
real?
line is full. We turn away 600 cars a day normally.
Oh wow, that's cool, man. We always
You can't pop.
apparently there's a wait line, man, to get in the waterfall. I've never seen that my whole life, man. They gotta be giving out gold down there, man. if not, man, shit, I'm gonna be mad as shit. Man, it's like people don't want to leave, man. They don't want us to get on the waterfall, but hey, it looks like we gotta go down there and stop. What the hell you doing, bro? You crazy? Eh? I thought this guy was letting to it, bro.
Just got here.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh nah, people tripping, man.
That shit, bro.
How long is the hike though?
It's 5 to 10 minutes. It's
man,
a
that's
really
light,
short.
man.
It's half a mile.
Oh,
Alright,
okay.
cool. That's some shit.
When it splits off, the top one will take you on top of the waterfall so you can view it falling, and then the other one will take you across the stepping stones to get to the waterfall.
Alright, cool. I may sprint down there. So that's what we need, bro. Say hello to my new friend. Sammy, have you ever hiked before, man, your whole life?
Better than you, bro. I've been to more places than your life could ever do.
This don't know me, man. As you can see this body now, man. A lot of mileage, bro. Hiking mileage, bro. Hiking mileage, bro.
Like
See this guy. See this guy. You don't know me.
That's all like you have been used, bro. What the hell?
What? Nah. I've used myself, bro. Hiking mileage. That's why you don't know. Sammy already tired, man. How you gonna lie, man? Look at the way he's struggling, bro. Struggling to move, bro. How can someone be this lazy, man?
You want the vest?
Yeah, that's what's slowing you down, the vest, though. That's the only excuse you get. Come on, man. That vest is less than a pound.
That just keeps slipping now, bro.
Cool, nigga. He tripping. Complaining about the vest.
I'm not, bro. It just keeps slipping out. That just is wrong. Sammy's still struggling, man. Look at Sammy. Struggling. Okay. Sammy, Yeah.
how do you like the place so far, bro? This is your first time here. I just remember. You've never been here before.
Out of every cliff I've been to, From top 7, bro.
Sammy, you see this? It looks unique, right?
I like how
Yeah. What if that rock fall on us there? You gonna like it? Say like how the rock is. I don't like it. Absolute beauty, man. This is nature at its finest.
slippery. One mistake.
Oh yeah.
Damn, bro. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love that. Nice. So what you about to do?
I'm about to climb this park right here in less than 2 seconds. What I'm doing in 2 seconds, bro. What should happen to me, Sammy, bro?
You buying me food?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Oh. It's already been 2 seconds. You owe me food. No.
How was the trip overall, bro?
It was nice, bro.
Oh yeah?
It was nice.
Did you have fun, bro?
We are raiding every waterfall in Maryland. Then we moved to VA. Then we moved to Pennsylvania. You know, each state.
You forgot the world, bro. We gotta move around the world too,
For
bro.
real.
I heard there's a waterfall in space, bro. It's my next mission. My next goal, man, to go to space. Be the first black man. The first black man in space, man. Bye. Have a good one. Alright. Fuck. That little kid weird as hell, bro.
Dance with the devil. Young fella could see the return of the told her I need to be space.
But hit it, bro. Hit it, hit it. Hit it, bro.
Anyway, we're about to head home now. First of all, we gotta look for food, man, because
We're going to Chipotle.
we're hungry as a mother sucker.
We're going to Chipotle.
So, if you guys enjoy the vlog, man,
Oh,
like, comment,
shit.
subscribe, share.
Hold on. I didn't even close the back, bro.
See how stupid this guy is, man. He's about to leave without closing his trunk. What the hell, man?
Good thing this is your luck by itself, bro.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You got that automatic, though?
Of course, bro.
Hey, that's a move, bro. I need one of that. But, yeah. Back to where I stopped. So, if you guys love the content, like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other content as well, man. We do a lot of this type of stuff, so feel free to enjoy yourself, man. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.